Right, this is the second video on multiplying and dividing fractions, and this one is a little bit more challenging. So we'll look at multiplying fractions. So the first example here will be 10 over 18 times by 27 over 5. Now what we can do here, we can look at doing some cross-cancelling. So we look at the numbers diagonally across from each other, and we can see that 5 and 10 are both in the 5 times table. So 5 goes into 5 once, and 5 goes into 10 twice. We now look at the 18 and the 27, and we can see that 9 is the biggest number, or the highest common factor of those two numbers. 9 will go into 18 twice, and 9 will go into 27 3 times. So our new sum actually becomes 2 over 2 times 3 over 1. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 1 is 2. And this would simplify to 3 over 1, which is the same as 3 whole. Now for the second and final part of the demonstration, we'll look at a divide. This time we'll deal with a mixed fraction. So we've got 1 2/3 divided by a top-heavy fraction of 15 over 2. Now the first thing that we must do, we must change that mixed fraction into a top-heavy. And we rewrite the question such that the mixed fraction has now been changed to a top-heavy. Now at this stage, we mentioned last time about KFC. We're going to keep the first fraction, flip the second fraction, and change the divide into a times. We can now perform the multiplication. 5 times 2 is 10. And 3 times 15 is 45. You may have noticed that we could have performed a cross-cancelling with the 5 and the 15. This would have saved us from having to heavily simplify at this final stage. But anyway, 5 goes into 10 twice, and 5 goes into 45 9 times.